Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jaya, and through my channel I give simple and easy tips to organize your home. I have an habit of browsing for products that are meant for organizing, and I always buy and check them out if it really works or not. So today I thought of sharing with you such a product that I came across Amazon, and it is meant for organizing your travel bag. I ordered this from Amazon. So you can see they have like this bags. So now let us see if I am able to pack my bag with this product. So friends, as you can see, this is how your bag will look after organizing and using the organizers that I ordered from Amazon. So friends, this product was 6-piece set that I had ordered from Amazon. It is called luggage organizing cubes. Yes. So as we have seen that we needed one more cube for the clothes, and yes, there are 7 cube set also available on Amazon. But if you don't want, you can use the shirt organizers or the sari organizers, but there is an option of ordering for 7 cube organizers, which will definitely take care of all your clothes and that need to be organized in your bag. The link for the product will be given in the description box below. So if you would like to order this product, do go and check it on Amazon.